This easy homemade garlic bread belongs on every family's table. It's so easy to make and it's delicious alongside with your favorite dishes. Ladies and gentlemen, let's turn out this simple garlic bread recipe into magical homemade garlic bread cheeseburger. Let's start by sifting the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and the salt. Then fold in the milk to create a shaky and slightly moist dough. When it's done, get a clove of garlic, then chop it roughly and add it on your dough. A tablespoon of vegetable oil makes our garlic bread moist and soft. Combine it well, then rest for at least 15 to 30 minutes, cover with cling wrap. And for the burgers, I'm using my favorite Ramey products here, the chicken burger patty. Then let's just grill it for at least 1 to 2 minutes both sides, just to get those crispy, crunchy patty before we stuff it inside of the bread. Using your hands, bring the dough together into a bowl to flatten into at least 1 inch thick and cut it into 2 batches. This is one of my favorite tools in the kitchen, my rolling pin. Just roll it up your dough for at least a circle round flattened surface. Then we layered here our burger patty, the cheeseburger patty, and the cheese. Then sealed it according to your preferences. Using a very sharp knife, score the top of the dough with an X mark. This is to allow the center to bake. Then bake it in 150 degrees temperature oven for at least 20 minutes. This is kind of optional because I wanted to get that golden crisp outside. So I'm using an egg wash to brush on top, then bake for another 10 minutes for the same temperature. This dense, soft and satisfying no yeast bread rises with baking powder and fresh milk. Craving for burgers but lazy to go out? Come this emergency lockdown recipe that truly family and kids loves. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. This is Bold Cook TV signing off for now and saying bye bye.